Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in dental insurance with Delta Dental easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Delta Dental website. Navigate to the Individual and Family Plans section. Browse the available dental insurance options. Select a plan that meets your needs. Review the details of the chosen plan. Check the coverage options and benefits. Look for any waiting periods or exclusions. Click on the Get a Quote button. Fill out the required personal information. Submit the information to receive your quote. Review the quote provided. Consider your budget and coverage requirements. If satisfied, select Apply to proceed. Complete the application form accurately. Provide any necessary documentation. Submit your application for review. Wait for confirmation from Delta Dental. Once approved, review your policy documents carefully. Make your first payment as per the instructions. Keep your insurance card and policy information handy. Schedule your dental appointments as needed. Enjoy your dental coverage benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.